Beavers have been released back into the wild in Essex for the first time in 400 years.
Massive groups of beavers were dropped into a desert wasteland with no trees in sight. This sounds like a recipe for disaster, but the truth is much crazier. These furry engineers transformed 15,000 acres of cracked earth into a thriving wetland. This is a key detail that most experts missed. Nobody expected this to happen so fast. The crazy part is how they did it without any wood. It is not that simple though. These animals use secret tactics to bring water back to a dead world. Millions of acres saved. The story starts in the middle of a hot, dry desert where the ground was so cracked you could fit your foot in the gaps. For a long time, the land in places like the Florida Panhandle and the canyons of Utah was considered dead. It was a barren wasteland where nothing could grow. Most people thought it was just the way things were now. Then, something strange happened. Scientists decided to take hundreds of beavers and just drop them there. Many people were confused about this move. After all, everyone knows beavers need trees to build dams and survive. There was not a single tree for miles. It seemed like a very bad idea. But here's the deal. These scientists were tapping into something ancient. They were looking at a landscape that used to be lush hundreds of years ago. Back then, North America was a giant sponge. Before the fur trade in the 1800s, there were millions of beavers everywhere. These animals kept the water on the land, but then humans came and took almost every single one of them for their fur. Without the beavers, the dams broke. The water rushed away and took the good soil with it. The land dried up and turned into a desert. This is a key detail. We did not just lose an animal, we lost the lungs of the earth. So when they brought the beavers back to these treeless zones, it was a test. They wanted to see if the animals still knew how to fix what we broke. In the Price River area of Utah, the researchers released families of beavers into canyons that were bone dry. The sun was beating down and the heat was over 100 degrees. It looked like the animals would just give up and leave, but they did not. Instead, they started working immediately. They did not wait for trees to grow. They grabbed whatever they could find. They used mud, rocks, and small bushes. They even used sagebrush and old weeds. The crazy part is how fast they started building. Within just a few days, the first small walls appeared in the dry creek beds. People are not seeing the truth here. These rodents were not just building homes, they were starting a massive construction project that would change the map. What most people do not realize is that a beaver dam is not just a pile of sticks. It is a complex filter. It slows down the water so it can sink into the ground. In these treeless places, the water used to just flash flood and disappear. Now it had nowhere to go but down. This started a chain reaction that nobody expected to happen so quickly. The ground began to change color. The brown dirt started to turn dark and moist. Small plants began to peek out of the mud. It was like the earth was waking up from a long sleep. This is one of the most overlooked aspects of the whole project, and that is putting it lightly. Something even bigger was happening under the surface of the dry desert. Underground water rising. As the beavers built more dams, the water level did not just go up in the ponds, it went up everywhere. This is the secret to the unreal outcome. See, it is not that simple though. When a beaver builds a dam, it creates a giant underground lake. The water stays in the soil instead of evaporating in the sun. In Nevada, at a place called Susie Creek, the change was massive. Before the beavers arrived, the creek was just a dry ditch for most of the year. After they settled in, the water table rose by several feet. This meant that even in the middle of a drought, the plants had plenty of water to drink. The way they do this is hands down incredible. They dig small canals out from their ponds. These canals act like veins, carrying water deep into the dry land. In these treeless zones, they use these canals to find more building materials. They would swim out and find cattails or tall grass. They would drag it back and pack it with mud. The dams became so strong that they could hold back thousands of gallons of water. And get this, the water that came out of the other side of the dam was cleaner and cooler. The dam acts like a giant coffee filter, catching all the dirt and salt. This made the water safe for other animals to drink again. What is really wild is that they did not stop at one dam. In some areas, a single beaver family built over 10 dams in a row. This created a staircase of water. Each step held more liquid gold. In the Florida project, they saw 15,000 acres of exhausted earth start to breathe again. The soil was so dry it was like powder, but the beavers turned it into a giant sponge. It was able to hold on to rainwater for months. This is a key detail because it prevented floods during big storms. Instead of the water rushing away and destroying things, it stayed put and grew life. Nobody expected this to happen, but the trees actually started coming back on their own. Because the ground was finally wet, seeds that had been buried for years started to sprout. Willow trees and cottonwoods began to grow along the banks. The beavers finally had the trees they were supposed to have, but they had to build the environment first to get them. It was a total reversal of what we thought we knew. They created their own forest from nothing but mud and hard work. The scale of this transformation was so big it could be seen from space. But the water was not the only thing that was coming back to the desert. Nature's master plan. The arrival of water brought a massive explosion of life. One of the most interesting things happened with the fish. In many of these dry areas, fish had almost vanished because the water was too hot or too shallow. But the beaver ponds were deep and cold. This is a key detail. The ponds provided a safe place for fish to hide and grow. Scientists found that there were 37% more fish species in the beaver areas than anywhere else nearby. Even in the middle of summer, the water stayed cool because it was shaded by the new plants. Then came the birds. Suddenly, there were ducks, herons, and even eagles. They were attracted by the fish and the new green plants. The sound of the desert changed from silence to a loud chorus of life. Insects started to swarm, which provided food for bats and smaller birds. It was like a giant puzzle was being put back together. Every animal had a role to play, and the beaver was the one who started it all. This is the definition of a keystone species. Without them, the whole thing would fall apart. But with them, the land became resilient. There are still many rumors on the air about how much these animals can really do. Some people think they can even stop big fires. And that is actually true. During the terrible wildfires in the West, people noticed something strange. While the forest around them burned to a crisp, the beaver wetlands stayed green. They acted like a natural fire break. The wet plants in the deep ponds were too moist to burn. This saved many other animals who ran to the water to hide. It is one of the most incredible sights to see a bright green oasis in the middle of a black, burned forest. This has made a lot of people realize that beavers might be our best tool for the future. They work for free and they never stop. They do not need permits or heavy machines. They just need a little bit of mud and a chance. But as these projects grew, some people started to get suspicious. They wondered if there was a darker reason for moving so many animals around. They started to look at the beavers as more than just rodents. They saw them as a secret weapon that someone was using to control the land. The crazy part is what some people think is really going on behind the scenes. Wild earth healing. When you see thousands of acres turn from brown to green overnight, people start to talk. Some fringe groups believe that beaver relocation is actually a form of secret geoengineering. They claim that the government is using these animals to change the weather and control the water supply. There are stories about how beavers are being used to secure water rights for the elite. While it sounds like a movie plot, the rumors are everywhere. Some even link it to older theories about ancient giants. They talk about the Pleistocene giant beaver, which was the size of a black bear. They say modern beavers are just reawakening an old intelligence to terraform the planet. See, it is not that simple though. While those theories are wild, the real science is just as mind-blowing. The beavers are essentially changing the local climate. By creating wetlands, they put more moisture into the air. This can lead to more local rain and cooler temperatures. It is not a conspiracy, but it is a massive change. Many are not seeing the truth here because they are looking for high-tech solutions. They cannot believe that a furry animal with big teeth can do more than $1 billion dam made of concrete. But the numbers do not lie. The cost of moving a beaver is almost nothing compared to the millions of dollars we spend on engineering. Everyone is obsessed with finding new ways to save the planet, but the answer was right in front of us. The beavers are hands down the best engineers we have ever seen. They have been doing this for millions of years. They know how to read the land and where to place every stick. It is like they have a blueprint in their heads. Even when we try to help by building beaver dam analogs, which are just fake dams made of posts, the beavers usually come in and fix our mistakes. They know where the water wants to go. The results of these projects have been so unreal that they are now being copied all over the world. From England to Russia, people are dumping beavers into dry places to see if they can work their magic. It is a global movement that is quietly fixing the earth one pond at a time. The transition from a barren wasteland to a thriving ecosystem is a miracle of biology. But it also makes us wonder what we have been doing wrong all these years. We spent so much time fighting nature when we could have just been working with it. Now we have to face the truth about what the future looks like with these animals. Big ecosystem reset. So here is the deal. The outcome of dumping beavers into treeless places was not just good, it was unreal. We saw dry canyons turn into rivers and dead soil turn into gardens. We saw animals return that had been gone for 100 years. This is a key detail that should give us all hope. It shows that the earth can heal itself very quickly if we just stop getting in the way. The beavers are not just animals. They are a living force that can reset entire ecosystems. They have proven that they do not even need trees to start the process. They can build a world out of nothing. But here is the catch. We have to be willing to live with them. Sometimes they flood roads or move into farmland. This is where a lot of people get confused and angry. But we have to ask ourselves if a few flooded roads are worth a healthy planet. One of the most overlooked aspects is that we need them more than they need us. They were here long before we arrived, and they were doing a much better job of managing the water. Now we are finally starting to listen to what they have to teach us. There are still many rumors on the air about the next big project. Some talk about releasing tens of thousands more across the American West. If this happens, we could see a total shift in how our continent looks and feels. It would be a return to the wet, green world of the past. The crazy part is that it is all being done by a rodent. It makes you wonder if we are the ones who are actually in charge. Or maybe the beavers have been the real masters of the earth all along. This incredible transformation shows that nature has its own secret plans for survival. If beavers can turn a desert into a paradise without any trees, what else are we missing? Could these animals be the ultimate solution to our water crisis? Let me know what you think below. Please like and subscribe for more amazing stories.